Welcome to our lesson on YouTube fundamentals and growth strategies. If you want your channel to grow, you need to understand what YouTube cares about most. This lesson focuses on the core foundations needed to grow on YouTube. Instead of just uploading videos and hoping for views, you'll understand how YouTube chooses which videos to show to viewers, what the algorithm values the most, how your performance metrics directly impact growth. This is the starting point for building a successful channel. YouTube algorithm is constantly watching how people interact with your video. It uses that information to decide whether to show your video to more viewers or not. So let's break down how it evaluates and ranks content in a clear and simple way. First, YouTube wants to keep viewers on the platform for as long as possible. If your video helps YouTube achieve that goal, the platform will help your video grow. This is why your focus should not only be views. Your focus should be audience engagement. Now let's explore the most important ranking factors. The first major factor is click-through rate, also called CTR. This is the percentage of people who click your video after seeing your thumbnail and title. If many people click, the algorithm believes your content is interesting and relevant. Strong thumbnails and titles improve CTR and bring more views instantly. The second major factor is watch time. This is the total number of minutes viewers spend watching your video. More watch time tells YouTube your content keeps viewers engaged. Videos with higher watch time get more promotion in search and recommendations. The third key factor is audience retention. This shows how long people stay before they click away. If most viewers leave in the first few seconds, the algorithm reduces reach. If viewers stay until the end, the algorithm pushes the video to more people. Retention is one of the strongest signals of quality. The fourth factor is viewer satisfaction. YouTube measures this through likes, comments, shares, and whether viewers watch more videos afterward. When viewers show they enjoyed your content, YouTube rewards your channel. The fifth factor is consistency of engagement. If viewers interact with your uploads, YouTube sees your channel as valuable. Even small improvements in engagement can lead to big audience growth. Now let's connect these elements. CTR gets the click. Retention keeps them watching. Watch time builds momentum. Engagement completes the cycle. Together, these signals tell the algorithm that your video is worth recommending. Here's a simple way to think about it. YouTube promotes videos that people choose to watch and continue watching. If you can achieve both, the algorithm becomes your biggest supporter. To conclude, YouTube fundamentals and growth strategies are important. It helps you to get discovered, to keep viewers watching, to understand the algorithm, to build a loyal audience, to grow consistently, and to monetize effectively. Creators who ignore fundamentals rely on luck. Creators who learn strategy build a system for growth. So what can you do right now? Focus on making the first 30 seconds of your video strong and interesting. Use clear and powerful thumbnails and titles that match the content. Plan your videos so viewers stay watching longer. Encourage engagement by asking viewers to comment or watch the next video. In the next lessons, we will go deeper into tools and techniques that make this process easier. You will learn exactly how to improve these metrics step by step. Understanding the algorithm is the first step toward real YouTube growth. Apply these fundamentals and you will see your performance improve with every upload. Join us in the next video as we explore the essential tools for YouTube success. Thank you for watching.